So today I'll be showing you how to make the best shawarma. This is going to be very, very easy, step by step. You're going to love it, you're going to enjoy it, and you're going to learn how to make your own delicious shawarma. So the first thing I want to do is to prep for my chicken. I have on my table some boneless chicken, that is chicken breast. So just cut up your chicken breast. So this is how mine looks like. So just cut it, and the next thing you want to do is to add that into a bowl and season this up. So I'm just going to season this with very, very simple seasoning. I'm adding some chicken seasoning cube. Go in with some paprika and garlic powder, and that's all the seasoning that I use. You can decide to add more seasoning to yours, but this was absolutely perfect. So the next thing you want to do is to add in some lemon juice.
So the lemon juice will just make the chicken become more tender, and also to make it more juicier, and also to increase the flavor profile. So the next thing you want to add is just to drizzle in some vegetable oil. So mix up everything together until all the ingredients are well incorporated into the chicken. So if you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metuka. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to get notified when I drop new video. Do not forget to like, comment below. I would love to hear from you. So once that is done, the next thing you want to do is just to heat up some oil. Do not go overboard with the oil, just very little oil. And then you want this to be hot, and then you want to add your chicken, and you want to cook this on a very hot heat. So cook on both sides until they are golden brown and ready. So this should take about 7 to 10 minutes for your chicken to be ready.
Season just right, feels like home. Every bite takes me where I roam. White plates, gold forks, steam in the air. Fresh rosemary, love in the flare. Pasta swirls and lemon zest. Every little dish dressed in its best. Saffron rice, creamy risotto. Balsamic glaze on avocado. Curry blends, a ginger kiss. Flavors dancing, can't resist.
You can see this looks so delicious already. It's so juicy, it's so nice, so soft. So please do not forget the addition of the lemon juice, and also to drizzle with some vegetable oil as we did. So once your chicken is ready, the next thing you want to do is to chop this up. So depending on what you want, if you want your chicken to be in chunky size, or you want it to be in tiny pieces, or you want it to be shredded, that is the way you should chop up your chicken. So I just went with the shredded form. So the next thing I want to get ready is my vegetables. So I have on my table some already washed cabbage. So just slice that up nicely. So depending on how you want to slice yours, so I just went with the strip form. So if you want to cut it smaller, you should cut it smaller. If you want it to be strip, you should just cut it that way. You can also use your grater to chop this up nicely.
Touch of joy in every bite.
So the next vegetable I'm working with is carrots. So just grate that up nicely and set aside. So another vegetable I have on my table is some cucumbers. So just cut that up nicely. So I love to add cucumber to my shawarma because it just makes my shawarma to just taste fresher. It just gives it this fresh taste. So if you want to add it, add. If you don't want, you can totally skip the addition of cucumber. So just cut that up nicely and set aside. So the next thing I want to make to take our shawarma to another level is by making our cream. So into my bowl, I have some mayonnaise. So the next thing I want to add is some sweet chili sauce. So this is actually homemade. This is so nice, so spicy, so delicious. You're going to love it. So I already showed a video how to make your own delicious sweet chili sauce. So I'll be dropping the link to that particular video in the description box below. So do well to check the description box. So the next thing I want to add is some ketchup. So just add that in there as well. So if your sweet chili sauce is not spicy, you can add paprika to this, because mine is spicy, so there was no need for me to add paprika because the flavor is okay. So the next thing you want to do is just to add in some lemon juice. So you can just go with 1 or 2 spoons of lemon juice. Just mix up everything together until this is well combined. So if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to comment below. I would really love to hear from you. And you can as well click on the share button. Share this to your WhatsApp, share this to your Facebook, share this on your Instagram. Just share it, share. This tasted so well, so you can make shawarma at home very easy, very nice, and it's so juicy. So the next thing you want to do is just to mix up all your ingredients together. So just mix up your veggies together. So the next thing you want to add is your delicious cream. So depending on how creamy you want this to be, so just add the amount of cream that you desire. So add in the chicken.
Phone in hand, got plans to do. Sunshine with a Lagos view. Feeling fresh in my favorite shoes.
So I just decided to add more cream to this because I want this to be very creamy. So you can decide to leave the cream, or you can just decide to top up more cream into this. So the next thing you want to do is just to mix up everything together until this is well mixed together. So now it's time to assemble our shawarma. So on my table, I have my shawarma bread. So most shawarma bread comes in 2 layers. So the first thing you want to do is gently separate those 2 layers. So you can use scissors or just pull them apart carefully. So now one layer usually has a slight turn or rough edge. That's normal. So place that turn layer on top of the cleaner one. Make sure the second bread is slightly extended so both pieces overlap in the middle. So that overlap is exactly where we are adding our shawarma filling. And then the next thing you want to do is just to add in some hot dog or sausage if you are making use of that. So I just heated my hot dog on the oil that we used to make our chicken just for like some seconds. So the turn bread, you should use it to cover the whole filling. And then the next thing you're going to just do is just to tuck both side of this, and then just wrap up everything together. So let me just stop explaining. So just watch this very carefully and you will get how to wrap your own shawarma. So if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. So once you're done wrapping this up, guess what? Your shawarma is ready. But if you take this to another level and to make your shawarma very beautiful, you just need to just heat this up. You can use a grilled pan or any other pan. So the grilled pan will just give your shawarma that grill mark. So if you're heating up the shawarma, so the first thing you want to do, the first part of the shawarma that you want to first heat up is that part of the shawarma that you can see that is not properly sealed, that you can see that the shawarma is open. So that is the part you want to heat up first. So once you heat that up, you will see that that part will seal up. So this should just take about 5 seconds. And then you just want to flip it to the other side and heat it as well. That is it. Your shawarma is ready. This tasted so nice. Like everyone enjoyed it. This is so creamy, so nice, and you can see if it's so easy. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, do let me know in the comment section by telling me that I love this video, or just comment anything on your mind. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. A lot of kisses.